Stolzberg. We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace, and it's all about the fall veggies and fruits right now.
That's right. So you see these guys in your supermarket, right? This is an acorn squash.
Oh, look at that.
We're gonna roast this baby, and we're gonna put some hot honey on it and some crushed pistachios.
You have me a hot honey.
You got it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the top off and the bottom. You see these ridges here?
Yeah.
You don't want to cut along it because you're not gonna really see what the vegetable is, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it in half this way, and really just with a spoon, scoop it all out. Just like, you know, you're carving a pumpkin, right? We're gonna cut these guys, not like this.
No.
Like this.
You're ruining the integrity of the acorn squash.
That's right. And we're gonna do a high heat roast. So I don't want thin little pieces. I want thick slices. I'm gonna give it a little toss. Oil, salt, and pepper. This is really simple roast. I mean, simple ingredients, right? But good ingredients. And then just toss it around. So this is gonna take about 15, 20 minutes at 400 degrees. See that color, Lil?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Beautiful. So now we're gonna put that in the bowl. We're gonna hit it with some hot honey and crushed pistachios. We're gonna toss these around. A good amount on top. And there you go, Lil.
I love this, and it could not be easier. So head to our website, newsfeld.com. Try it. It looks amazing. Thanks, Giovanni.
You're very welcome.